To cut and print a design using Lino, you will need the following tools. Lay the tracing paper over your design and tape down to secure. Carefully outline your design in pencil. Turn the tracing paper over so the pencil marks face down, placing the design centrally on the lino sheet. Scribble over the traced design to transfer. Go over the lines using a permanent marker to ensure the design does not smudge as you're cutting the lino. Cut around the edges of your design using the smallest V-shaped cutting blade, ensuring that you are always cutting away from the direction of your supporting hand. To change your tool, unscrew the cutting handle, pull out the blade, replace, and then tighten the cutting handle. Use a wider U-shaped cutting blade to cut out the larger areas of white space. If you're struggling to cut or the blade keeps going too deeply into the lino, try using less pressure. To print, pour out a 10p sized amount of ink and roll out until tacky. Roll out onto the design in light layers, ensuring all parts of the design are covered. Place your paper over the top of the lino and press down using the burnishing tool in circular motions. Gently peel your paper off of the lino sheet and leave to dry.